In Power BI Desktop, it's fairly common to write DAX expressions to add descriptions to your data. Like in this example, we've used the value of Oscar nominations and Oscar wins to describe the success of each film. Once we've done that, we can use the results in various visualizations. So in this simple table, it describes each film. In this slicer, it allows us to filter the films by the category we've created. And then in this matrix, we've also grouped our data by the category. It's all well and good to use basic, boring, plain text for your descriptions, but it's much more fun and exciting for your end users if you use emojis instead. Let's replace the word winner here with something a bit more appropriate, a medal or a trophy emoji, for example. I'm going to start by removing the word winner from inside the double quotes, but leave the double quotes in place. I can then use a keyboard shortcut to display the emoji panel. So the standard Windows keyboard shortcut is to hold down the Windows key on your keyboard and then press the full stop. So Windows full stop will display the emoji panel. You can then browse through that panel if you like, or you can even search for things in it. If I start typing in the word trophy, for example, you should see the emoji panel filters to show the matching entries. If I can then just click on the trophy emoji to insert it, that gets inserted into the text. You can add as many emojis as you like. Each emoji is just treated as a character, and you can, of course, once you've closed down the emoji panel, backspace or delete those as well. Let's replace the word loser then with a different, more appropriate emoji. So I'll get rid of the word loser, hold down Windows key and press full stop. Let's just insert a sad face for that one. That seems appropriate. And then for the not nominated, let's see, I'll get rid of the text first of all, and then display the emoji panel, Windows full stop. Let's go for a cross. There we go. I guess you could go for a poop emoji if you felt like it as well. There we go. So let's update the expression, and then all those emojis will appear in the appropriate places in the visualizations. So something a bit more interesting than boring old plain text. Hope you found that little tip useful. Thanks for watching. See you next time.